Hi my friends, it's Cori. Welcome to the Diamond Painting Effect with Cori. I'm here today with a completion video. I have finished this Rainboots diamond painting, and it was it probably took me about three weeks. I got this from Amazon. It was I'll put the link below. It was $9.98 when I bought it. It's been a fun piece to work on. It had 27 colors. I'm happy with how it turned out. I thought there could be a little more definition right here with the bird. It does show up better in the camera, in the film. So anyway, but other than that, it was a nice, fun to work on. All this in here was, there was 3 and 4 of each color to place in the same area at a time. So I basically just did the boot all at once. And I worked from the bottom to the top. And these are very sparkly. I see if I can catch that for you guys. They're very sparkly gems, and I'm really happy with it. I did this diamond painting for Diamond Grandma's event this month. Her event this is my Garden 23 hashtag, and so I did this in honor of her monthly event. These are the drills. There were plenty of colors. Plenty of colors. I don't know how much of that y'all can see, but I didn't have any. I worried about running out of a color, but it was only because I didn't know what I had done with my extra packets that didn't fit in here. There were a couple of colors that did that. So I decided just to keep them to the side, and then I'd put them in when I needed them, and then I needed to find them. So, but this is my garden boots, and I want to thank Diamond Grandma, and she is doing this with coffee and diamonds, and I want to thank them both for sponsoring this event. I enjoyed working on it, and I want you guys to take care, and I will see you again in the next one.